Hey guys, today I'm doing a video on 3 different ways to make money on Robinhood. The first way to make money is to buy a stock and then sell it when the value is higher. To search for a stock, you'll hit the search button in the top right corner, and I'm going to search for the clothing company American Eagle. Since I already have shares in this stock, it'll say trade right here, but if you don't have shares in the stock, it will say buy. So basically, if you buy a share at $28 and it goes up $2, you'll make $2. And if you buy 10 shares of stock at $28 and they go up $2 per share, you'll make $20. Keep in mind you can also lose money if you sell below the price you paid for the stock. When you want to go ahead and sell the stock, you will hit the trade button and then hit sell. Once you sell, your money will take a few days to process and will end up in buying power. Then if you want to put the money back in your bank, you're going to hit banking and then transfer to bank. The second way to make money is through dividends. Most companies will pay a quarterly dividend if they have one. And now I'm going to show you all the dividends that I've made from American Eagle. So I'll scroll down to the show more button and go to filter, and this will just show the dividends. If we click on this last one, it shows how much money I made per share and then calculates the total amount for you. Once you receive the dividend in the app, it will go to your buying power, and then like before, you can transfer it back to your bank account if you want. Keep in mind, any money in buying power you can use to buy more stocks as well. Now I'm just going to go to history and show you where all of your dividend history will be for every stock, and you guys can kind of see how much I made over the last year. Now the third way to make money is through the Robinhood invite promotion. So let's click on the profile icon and hit free stock. You will get a free share of stock when somebody fully signs up through one of your links, and you can receive up to $500 in free stock. If you click this button, you can send the link through text, email, Facebook, or Twitter, and you can copy and paste it to other places as well. Now if we go to past invites, you can see these are all of my pending invites, and this next section is everyone that has fully signed up through my link. Now I'm going to click on my latest received invite, and this is where you will see all of the information and what the value of the stock was at that time. Once you receive a stock, it will go to your stock page, and it's been almost a month since I've received this Sprint stock, and looking at it now, it's actually gone up in value. And if you scroll down, you can see that you'll never lose money on this stock because you paid $0 for it. So this is a super cool way to make extra money if you can get people to sign up. If you decided you don't want to hold on to the stock and you just want to sell it, you'll have to wait 3 days, and then it will go back into buying power after you sell. And if you guys want to sign up to Robinhood using my link, I'll leave that down in the description for you. And thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you learned something from this video. And if you want to see more videos like this one, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.